Have you ever seen tiles crack for no reason? Why do tiles crack? Let's find out. Most cracks start from the base layer. If the subfloor isn't level or compacted properly, it moves over time and the tile breaks. Temperature changes cause tiles to expand and contract. Without expansion joints, they push against each other and crack. If the adhesive layer is uneven or too thin, hollow spots form under the tile and cracks appear over time. To prevent cracks, remember, 30% depends on tiles, 70% on installation. Choosing premium marble look tiles with high density and low water absorption helps resist stress and cracking. Tile and Top Premium Marble Tile Collection, dense, durable, and crack resistant, designed to elevate your space with lasting beauty. Tile and Top, more than tiles. It's timeless elegance that lasts.